You are probably here because you want to index your blogs and website pages on Google, or you simply want to have Search Console integrated with your website, maybe due to any other reason. Comment down below whatever reason that is for adding Google Search Console with your WordPress website, and let me show you how to do just that. First, you have to come to this Google Search Console website. The link will be in the description. Next, click on the blue Start Now button. Here it says Welcome to Google Search Console. Great. Now you have two options in front of you. Either you choose to go with URL prefix method, in which case you have to add an HTML code in your head tag of your WordPress website. But the better option would be to go with domain method, in which you have to just add a DNS record in your DNS management system. In my case, that's Cloudflare. If you have to ask what's your DNS management system, then chances are it's your domain registrar, which can be companies like Namecheap, NameSilo, GoDaddy, etc. Find out which one is yours, then we can move on to the next step. Now enter your website link just like I enter mine and hit continue button. Alright, so now we are in the verification page. If your DNS provider is there in the drop down, then select it. In my case, Cloudflare is not mentioned, so I'll leave the selection to any DNS provider. Alright, so copy the text record and go to your DNS provider. This step might be visually different if your DNS provider is not the same as mine, but the actual method is still the same. Now follow these steps. First, select the text record type. Then add @ for root domain name. If your website is on a subdomain, then add your subdomain name instead. Then paste the text record you copied from Google in the content tab. Then leave the TTL to be automatic. Cloudflare is super fast, so I always see DNS propagation complete within 60 seconds. In this case, it took only 30 seconds. Now press the verify button. And it's verified. There you go. Google Search Console has been added to your WordPress website. See, you didn't even need it to go to your website to make changes due to this DNS method, which makes this an universal tutorial that can be followed to not only add Search Console to WordPress website, but also for all other websites. Please share this video if this helped you and make that thumbs up blue. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.